Hi, I'm Christina, and thank you for not smoking. The trans-theoretical model of change has 5 stages: pre-contemplation, contemplation, preparation, action, and maintenance. These are all pretty self-explanatory when it comes to behavioral change, but I'm going to relate them to smoking and how the tasks that need to be accomplished relate to these 5 stages. The first task is decision balance. An individual must weigh the pros and cons of quitting smoking, and they must also determine what the personal costs and the personal benefits are of quitting smoking. They could be of social value, of monetary value, economic value, and the like. Next, there's coping appraisal. The individual must cope whether they quit smoking or whether they don't quit smoking. If they don't quit smoking, they have to cope with having that health risk behavior until they decide to quit. If they do quit, they must determine how they're going to react to quitting. Is it going to be positive and they're going to enjoy it, or is it going to be negative and they're going to risk everything and go back to smoking? Lastly, self-efficacy. This is by far the most important factor in the trans-theoretical model of change. Can an individual maintain the behavior change? How long can they maintain it? Are they actually changing their behavior and are doing it well? And can they incorporate other health protective behaviors to prevent from getting disease? In conclusion, the trans-theoretical model of change is complex and requires time. Individuals progress through the stages of change at different times, meaning the TMC has to be tailored to individual behavioral changes. Individuals that want to change their health risk behaviors will, and individuals that don't may just need a little push. Thank you all for listening to my presentation, and have a great day.